Nigerian businessman and social commentator Isaac Fayose has publicly expressed disappointment in Governor Sinelai Fubara of Rivers State following the circulation of photos showing the embattled governor with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the president's private residence in Lagos. In a strongly worded video shared on social media on Tuesday, Fayose lashed out at Fubara, labeling him a weakling and declaring regret for previously supporting his political battle against his estranged godfather, Wike, Fubara that was a governor 3 months ago. All he does now is go and take pictures, either with the president in London or Lagos, or stand outside Aso Rock, or stand outside Wike's house. They have changed his destiny, Fayose lamented in the video. He's now taking pictures with his enemy. What a weak man, Fubara, you are very weak. I regret even fighting for you. He concluded.
I pray for you today. Make enemy no change your destiny. There are some wicked people out there, they are destiny changers. They will change your destiny. Fubara, that was a governor 3 months ago, all he do now is to go and take picture, either with president in London, or take picture with president in Lagos, or stand outside Aso Rock, or stand outside Wike house. They don't change his destiny. He's now taking pictures with his enemy. What a weak man, Fubara. You are very weak. I regret even fighting for you. Very weak man, weakling. Now you are governor before. Now picture you they take now. They don't take your destiny. Governor pictures. Destiny changers. May God save us from destiny changers. We go collect Friday. They can give you Saturday. Fubara.
Fayose's emotional outburst comes on the heels of renewed tensions in Rivers State, where the power struggle between Governor Fubara and his predecessor turned political rival, Wike, continues to make headlines. The political rift, which began shortly after Fubara assumed office, escalated into a full-blown crisis that has deeply divided the state political landscape. President Tinubu, who earlier intervened in the crisis, suspended Fubara from office in March this year, citing concerns over governance instability and breach of agreements. The latest photo of Fubara in a seemingly cordial meeting with Tinubu have triggered mixed reactions among Nigerians, with critics questioning the governor's political stance and perceived compromise. Isaac Fayose, younger brother to Ekiti State Governor, has been a vocal advocate of political transparency and a known critic of power plays within Nigeria's leadership circles. His statement adds yet another layer of drama to the Rivers political saga, which has drawn national attention. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.